Hello to all my friends out there. So I finally did it. Okay, I made potato rolls, potato bread, and it was really good, but you had to let it rise for an hour and a half. You had to knead it, let it rise for an hour and a half. Then you had to re-rise it, and so it took forever. But this is made with, what is this made with? This is made with baking powder. And so I bought this good butter, and this is the grape jam I made. Okay, if you didn't see how to do this, yum, just go to my Instagram or my Twitter, and it's on there. Oh, looks like Elon Musk is going to acquire Twitter. So I cleaned up my Twitter in anticipation of this. Grape jam, homemade. Now let me taste this, in case it tastes horrible. Oh yeah, this looks just awful, don't you think? Yum. This is one of those recipes, once you make it a few times, it's going to be really good. And I had this really old cookbook. See, here it is. Here is the recipe. Right here. 2 cups flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2.5 teaspoons 3.5 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 cup boiled potato mashed. I just used a little, and 1/2 cup milk. So what I did is I boiled my potatoes and I drained them. Then I added the milk and I heated it to hot. I used super fine sugar and salt. I put that in the potatoes, and then I cooled the potatoes and milk down to room temperature. Then I added the baking powder, and I stirred that together. And then I just started adding flour until I got a nice soft dough. And then I put it, I made it into some rolls. And then I put it in a grease pan, and I left them 15 minutes. And then I baked them, for 15 minutes. You put butter on them before and after you bake them. And then, I had my jam. So what this is really good for, let me show you. It is nighttime. Remember my grandfather that lived to be 100? It's late at night. I just baked these. They're hot as hell. That's okay, they taste good hot. So this is going to allow you to make bread every day or every other day. Ow, I just baked these. And then I have super fine sugar. Doesn't have to be super fine, but if it was, that would be good. So once you start getting, you buy some big bags of potatoes, and you buy some shelf-stable milk. You could put some peanut butter and jam on this. That would be good. You could put some bacon gravy on this. That would be good. So I wanted to give you guys this recipe. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.